This is Český Krumlov, Jarda Dana, Harmy, Vltava River. It's quite noisy, the water. It's almost like Niagara Falls, the noise, but it's not falling from such a height for sure. Jarda will say something in English now. In German then? No?
Only Czech.
Only Czech. That's because he didn't drink any alcohol yet. This is interesting device here. That's like it was used for milling, I guess, grains. And if you look up there, there's a portion of a castle. Maybe I will walk. Going down the river on a raft, rubber raft. Too bad I missed one canoe. They spilled into the water. I think these guys will be fine. They did okay. I wanted to show you the castle too. Now that's the walkway from one part of the castle to the other part. Quite nice. And here is a mechanism for mill wheel, or whatever it's called. And here the water from closer up. So these are the pleasures of European travel. We'll watch one more raft going down and then I'll turn it on. The rubber raft always make it, but smaller boats sometimes they turn over upside down, but everybody is fine when they get out of the water. There we go. Yes, again they made it nicely. Okay, so till next time, this is Dan. Bye.